The United Birds, a tale of strength and unity. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a group of birds. These birds were all different colors and sizes, but they lived together peacefully, singing and chirping every day. One day, a hunter came to the forest, aiming to catch the birds and sell them in the market. The birds, sensing the danger, gathered together to discuss what to do. They realized they needed a plan to escape the hunter's traps. After much brainstorming, they decided that each bird would play their part. The big birds would create a distraction by flying high above the trees, drawing the hunter's attention away from the smaller birds. Meanwhile, the smaller birds would hide in the bushes and under the thick foliage. As the hunter approached, the big birds swooped and soared, catching the hunter's eye. While he was focused on them, the smaller birds quietly slipped away, unnoticed. The hunter tried to catch the big birds, but they were too fast and clever. Eventually, he gave up and left the forest empty-handed. The birds rejoiced in their victory, realizing that by working together and using their unique strengths, they could overcome any challenge. From that day on, they remained united, always looking out for each other and living peacefully in the forest. And whenever they faced a new threat, they tackled it together, knowing that their unity was their greatest strength.